uh, fried bacon. Put a little bit of oil. I want the bacon to be crispy. So I have bacon here. Fry like this. So we're waiting for that to fry, this one. We need to boil the water for the pasta. Now this is the water for the pasta. So I will put a bow tie. I will cook the bow tie for the salad. So this is the pasta that I will use. It's a bow tie. So this is about 1 cup of pasta. Okay. So this one I wanna wait until it become crispy, so that we can put like a toppings in the salad. So I will fry 3 slices only. So while waiting for the bacon to become crispy, I'll put now the pasta. So it's already boiling. So this is my bacon. So just fry until like that, or you want more crispier, then toast more. So this time I need a bowl. You can prepare this bowl. And a lettuce with cherry tomato. And for the sauce is a lemon, white pepper, oregano, olive oil, and a salt. So while waiting for the pasta, we can make the sauce now. So we have the bowl here. I need only half of the lemon. Okay. We need to strain. So just use the fork and poke the lemon around. Easier to squeeze. Okay. So I use up half of the lemon. And then put olive oil. Okay. About 1 teaspoon of salt. A dried oregano. And a black pepper. So that's all. We can mix now. You can put also the Dijon mustard if you want, but that is optional. and then a little bit of sugar. Then mix. As you can see, it become already like this. And then I have the bacon here. So you can cut into cubes or into strips like that. So what I'm doing is just only good for one person. Then done, set aside and put this bowl here and then cut into half your lettuce and then cut like this. Okay, then this is a cherry tomato. Just cut like that. Or you can cut it thinner. Okay, then our pasta is cooked. So we can add now here. Then that's the pasta. We better add more. So the pasta is depend upon how much you need it, okay? Then we can add one red onion, cut cut into cubes. We can do is we need to separate those onion around. Okay, then we will mix. This time we will put already the sauce that we made. This is the sauce. So mix and put. And then we can mix now. Yeah. So this time we can put the toppings, which is this one, the bacon. Done. So isn't that pretty? Yummy, mommy. Can show those some of the cherries. Yoo-hoo. Done. Okay, then this is my salad. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like it. And it's yum. Okay. Bye bye. See you in my next video.